Let me put it to you straight. Your transmission is one of the most expensive parts in your car, and the fluid inside it? That's what keeps it alive. It cools, it lubricates, and it helps transfer power so your car shifts smoothly. But most folks don't think about their transmission fluid until it's too late, when the gears start slipping or grinding, or worse, the car won't move at all. If you want to avoid a multi-thousand-dollar repair, keep reading. I'll explain in plain language how to tell if you need transmission fluid, and what to do about it. Your car hesitates or jerks when you shift. If your automatic transmission takes a second to shift, or if it kicks hard when changing gears, it might be low on fluid. Transmission fluid creates pressure that helps the gears engage. Without enough of it, things start slipping and grinding inside. You might feel the car lag before moving forward, or notice a harsh jerk between shifts. This is usually one of the first signs that something's off, and 9 times out of 10, low or dirty fluid is the culprit. You notice a burnt smell or see dark fluid. Fresh transmission fluid usually looks pink or red and smells sort of sweet. But if you check the fluid and it's brown or smells burnt, that's bad news. It means the fluid is broken down and isn't protecting the transmission like it should. Overheating, towing heavy loads, or never changing the fluid can all cause this. When that fluid starts burning, your transmission starts wearing out faster. Don't wait. If it smells or looks wrong, it's time to change it. There's a fluid leak under your car. Transmission fluid doesn't just vanish, it has to go somewhere. If you see a red or dark puddle under your car, especially near the middle, that could be a transmission fluid leak. Unlike engine oil leaks that are usually at the front, transmission leaks tend to drip from the center or rear of the engine bay. A small leak might not seem like a big deal, but even a little loss of fluid can cause serious problems over time. Get it fixed before your transmission runs dry. Strange noises while driving. If your transmission starts making whining, humming, or clunking noises, don't just turn up the radio and hope it goes away. Those sounds can be a sign that the internal parts aren't getting the lubrication they need. Fluid keeps the moving pieces inside your transmission running smooth. When it's low or dirty, things grind. And when they grind long enough, they break. By the time it sounds like a coffee grinder under your floorboard, it might be too late. Your transmission fluid hasn't been checked in years. Most people know when to change their engine oil, but ask them about their transmission fluid, and you'll get blank stares. On some cars, the fluid is lifetime, but that doesn't mean forever. It means under perfect conditions, which most of us don't drive in. If your car has over 60,000 miles, and you've never checked the transmission fluid, now's the time. Some cars have dipsticks you can check yourself, others are sealed and need a mechanic to look at them. Either way, don't wait until the transmission starts acting up. By then, it's damage control. Conclusion. Transmission problems are some of the most expensive and stressful repairs out there. But the good news? Most of them are preventable with simple maintenance. If your car is shifting funny, making weird noises, or you've spotted a leak, don't ignore it. And if you haven't had your fluid checked in a long while, get it looked at, even if everything seems fine. Transmission fluid isn't something to gamble with. It's cheap to maintain and insanely expensive to replace. Your car works hard for you. The least you can do is keep it hydrated.